To a lot of people, the Katu Festival is all about music and parades and food, but there's something much more important happening. And we're here today at, well, a celebration of the original... Yeah, that's part of it. The original Katu. Not only the original Katu, but the origins of Phuket, because it's right here at this site where the very first Phuketians settled and also celebrated their traditions and their religions. And we're here today to commemorate those ancestors and their important role in establishing Phuket. Not the Phuket we know today, but a very important part of the history of Phuket.
I'd love to tell you that the people you see here are all the believers, and we come to pay respect to the God. Which God? The God, it means that the people who died during the riots of Phuket. And we name this shrine is named Tong Yong Su, and we have the twin temple, which is in the same shape of Phuket, but it is in Penang. And the place in Penang is called Tiang Yong Su. 170 people. They all died together in the riots of Phuket long time ago. And we don't feel like they are rioters. We feel one thing, that they are our ancestors, the people who make Katu today, and we all believe that this ancestor of Phuket has done a very good job for us. So when my grandfather, whose name is Sangwon Mano Sunthorn, his Chinese name is Niao Ngim Nguyen, he was born here, and then later he moved to Phuket town, and he start his own business. So I would like you to see that how people here believe in, this is the belief of people. The red tortoise means that the tortoise, look at this, look at one of the legs. It is said Nguyen Thong, which means money and gold, okay? And this side is called Mang Mi, which is prosperity. And so this is the meaningful tortoise in red, and they are decorated with flowers. And this decorated tortoise is made of, can you guess what is it made of? We can eat it after that. So it is made of flour, a kind of flour that we children love it. So today they bring all the turtles here just to say that I obey to your teaching. We never forget that you are our ancestor. This is a special kind of jackfruit with lots of seed inside, which means that we expect that we will have lots of children, and then all the children will be good smell, and very yellow. It means prosperous.
There's plenty happening here today. We're being served a lunch as guests today, and I think I'm going to have a heart attack every time the firecrackers go off, but what a great pleasure to be part of this very special part of the Katu Festival.
I am Assistant Professor Prani Sakunpipat, and I'm glad to tell you that my grandfather was born here, so that's what I do today, or what I explain today. I just want to return the deed back to my grandfathers, and I love to thank all of these people. เรายกมือไหว้เขาทุกคนเลยได้ไหมคะสวัสดีค่ะ
Well, Kun Prani, it's been a great honour to be a part of this special day for you. And this is the origins of Phuket. This is where Phuket started.
Yes, yes. I am sure to say that Phuket started here, even 200 something years ago, because this is all the lands that we do. We did the tin mines, and all of the people who can be rich, they are tin mine owners. And when they're rich, they move themselves to town. That's Phuket town is after Katu.
Okay, well, it's been a great pleasure to be here. Thank you very much for hosting us and being part of Phuket News TV.
Thank you very much. Thank you that Phuket News is care for Phuket culture.